Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As I usually do, I usually have an intro, but I'm just gonna get straight into the video. I'm starting off with the Revolution Pro Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm just filling up my eyebrows. So taking my favorite concealer for my eyebrows, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. I like a natural look. I don't like that overly highlighted eyebrow look. So I'm just carving out the bottom and the top and then buffing that out. So moving on to the eyes, I'm taking this palette by Patricia with Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to place all the colour names that I use at the top of the screen because I actually don't remember it off the top of my head. But these are the colours that I'm using, and this is the eye look that I've gone for. It's more like a cut crease, but I didn't actually cut the crease. So yeah, I really like these colours. I was actually inspired by my dress that I was wearing, so I thought why not use the same type of colours on my eyes. So now for the foundation. Oh my gosh guys, I'm really in love with this foundation. You know those foundations that you just have stored away and you haven't used for a long time. So I just began using this again, and this is the MAC Prolongwear Waterproof Foundation in the color NW50. When I say this foundation is too lit, I mean the finish of the foundation is amazing. So now moving on to concealer, I just go straight in. Usually I use a skin tone concealer first and then a brightening one, but I couldn't be asked for it just because the foundation was that dark, and I'm going to be cream contouring. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and highlighting all the areas that you see me highlighting. So now I'm cream contouring, and I'm also taking the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the color NW50, and I really love this color for cream contour. So now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just buffing out everything. I absolutely love using brushes for blending out all my cream products. I don't actually use a beauty blender anymore. However, when it comes to setting my under eye with the setting powders, I still do use sponges. So now I'm using another slept on product. I have slept on this powder so bad. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I really love the powder. I don't know if it's just because of the way I do my makeup now, but I'm really feeling it. So now I'm going to set my contour, and this is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the colour NW58, and I'm just gently popping that over the cream contour to set that. So now I'm lining my lips. First, I'm taking a brown lip liner. This is not a specific liner, it's just one that I got from the hair shop. Then I'm taking a black lip liner, and I really love that accentuated lip look. I love the look of a full lip. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just love it. So now I'm just taking a powder blush by MAC, and this is in the colour Devil. A lot of people see this blush and they're like, what blush are you using? And as soon as I say the name, they're like, nah, it's alright. I also like to set my face before I put my lipstick on, just because it really messes up my lipstick. I don't know what it is, but it just messes it up. But I just use the MAC Fix Plus Original Fixing Spray. Now this lipstick that I'm using is also by MAC. I'm using a hell of a lot of MAC products, but whatever. So I'm taking this lipstick from MAC, and it's in the colour Kinkster. I absolutely love this lipstick. If you're too afraid to go bold when it comes to a nude lip, this is a perfect colour for any brown skin tone with a chestnut brown lip pencil. I'm telling you, this with a clear lip gloss, like, it's lit. Now with my finger, I'm literally just taking a bit of this Dazzle shadow, and this is in the colour I Like to Watch. I just felt like my centre lid just needed to pop, and this shadow right here did exactly that. Now for my favourite part is highlighting. I love highlighting, and I've loved highlighting with the MAC Gold Deposit highlighter. This, mate, look how it's making my skin look. I love it. I absolutely love it. Again, this is one of the items I've had for years, but I just haven't really used it as much. But this, look at my face, look at my nose. Oh my gosh, it's lit, it's lit. And then I'm going to pop it in the inner corner as well, because I live for an inner corner highlight. And can we just take a moment and pre my lips? My lips look too good. Look at my lips. Now I'm just going back and blending out the edge of this highlight with my blush brush, and then popping on some falsies. And here we have it, guys. This is my finished look. I really love this look, as I do with all my looks. I really look like a baby girl, like a baby doll. I look too cute, and I think I'm allowed to say that. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the gang and leave any questions down below. Until next time, guys, see you later. Bye.